Well, good morning. It's good to see you. This morning I decided to come down to Little Rock. I wanted to check out the Riverfront Park. It's right along the Arkansas River. And there's a cool attraction within it called the Vogel Schwartz Sculpture Garden. And all through the Riverfront Park, there's these beautiful sculptures just spread all throughout the park. It's about 11 blocks long, and I think it's worth checking out. And down here towards the end, there's a boardwalk, and there's concrete over here. There's a boardwalk over there, but there's this little wetland you can check out. You can see geese and ducks, and I don't know if you can see all of these little turtles hanging out. The sun feels so good, they're not gonna jump in the water. They don't care. They're keeping an eye on me, but they're not jumping in the water. But anyway, I thought it'd be cool to hang out in downtown Little Rock today, see what we can find. I love looking at art. I have a creative streak in me. I used to do a lot of drawing and stuff when I was little, and there's just something about sculptures and things like that. I just really enjoy looking at them. So why don't you come along with me? And you thought I just hung out in the woods all day. This guy here. Oh. they have this cool little area. It's a playground for kids down here in the park as well. So you can see they can crawl in, climb up, go up top. It's got all these rocks like it's kind of like you're hiking in the city. They even have cool little picnic areas. Picnic tables, a grill, and as I said, all of this playground for these kids. Big cool slide over there. And they have rock climbing walls for the kids. This is where they let the kids climb the boulders. And they have little places where they can get back in up top. And then there's a tunnel. I know I'm not a kid, but I'm going through this tunnel. I feel like a kid.
Oh yeah, I know. It's fantastic.
all of these sculptures all along Riverfront Park here, and they're absolutely beautiful. And the setting, you have all the landscaping, the beautiful trees are blooming, all the leaves are budding out, and the crows are going crazy. But just the beauty of these sculptures and the work that goes into them, it's absolutely fascinating. That was cool. Just had a little conversation with these folks over here. They're from Finland. So they started out in Dallas and they're working their way towards Memphis, and they really don't have a plan. They're just going. Sometimes those are the best plans. No plans at all. Roaming, that's the true definition of roaming, isn't it? You just take off and you have no idea where you're going to end up. You're just roaming. Wonderful, wonderful people. They seem like wonderful people. I've had a good afternoon walking around Riverfront Park, checking out the Vogel Schwartz Sculpture Garden. It's absolutely beautiful here. The landscaping is nice. Even though there's, more people and it's picking up, it's still a peaceful place to come. I was going to go into more of the downtown River Market District, but I think I'll wait till Kenna's with me, because we have some plans to come down here, go to one of my favorite restaurants called Fassler Hall. It's like a German beer house. We'll have to check that out. And right over there, I don't know, let me get down here where you can see it. It's one of the many things we want to check out. Right across the river there, you can see a submarine, and then there's a tugboat on the other side of it. You can't see the tugboat, but they were both in World War II. The submarine was present in Japan when the Japanese surrendered, and the tugboat was actually in Pearl Harbor when it was attacked, and it participated in trying to save ships and actually did push one of them out of the harbor during the attack. You can go into the sub, you can go into the tugboat. We're going to check that out in the future, but I think I've got enough footage to give you a good idea of what you're going to see when you come down here. But anyway, I appreciate you coming along with me, and until next time, we'll see you. If you liked this video, we'd appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe to our channel. Also, hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified when future videos come out. We'll see you guys next time.